Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make evaporated milk bread. This is soft, it's light, it's fluffy, and it's very easy to make. It turned out so delicious. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in evaporated milk, followed by full fat milk, sugar, dry active yeast. I'll stir this together till well combined and then add in egg white. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After the egg white, I added in flour, and then I'll go in with my hands, stir it till everything has come together. The last ingredient that I'm going to add here is just a little bit of vanilla extract and salt. I'll then add in the last of the flour and then knead it or mix it until it has formed a dough. So once it has formed a dough, I'll transfer it on my work surface and then add in softened butter. I'll then go ahead and knead this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you have time for the dough. Play with it, and then if you want it to become stretchy, light and fluffy, please knead it more or less from 7 to 10 minutes. After, I then placed it back in a bowl and then covered it with the cling film. So when you press and it bounces back like that, that means it's ready. You're at the right point. I then placed it back in the bowl, covered it with the cling film, and then let it rest for at least 2 hours or until doubled in size. You know, it's because it's cold here, that's why I waited for 2 hours. But if we were to be in the summer season, I'll let it rest for at least 1 hour. Once it has doubled in size, I sprinkled a little bit of flour on my work surface and then transferred the dough on it. I then roll it long like so and then cut it into 9 equal parts. It was around 90 to 100 grams each. When done, bring one of the dough and roll it in a ball shape on your palm, just like so. But if you have a big working surface, you can roll them on your working surface. After, bring one and then make sure you cover the rest with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. Roll it as demonstrated in the video and then roll it like a sausage shape. When done, place your hand at the other tip on one tip of the dough and then the other side roll it thin. After, use a rolling pin to roll it in a triangular shape as demonstrated in the video. It should be something more or less like this, just like so. When done, roll it as doing the croissants. It's just as simple as that. Roll it and then until you are at the tip, the last tip. After, I then place it back in my baking bowl, covered it with a cling film, and then let it rest for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, as you can tell from the video, it has doubled in size. I'll then go ahead and brush on top with milk. Just like so. I'll then bake this bad boys at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. That's it. And just look at this amazing milk bread. This is soft, it's light and fluffy. It's super easy and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. If you like this video, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing bread. It turned out so delicious, but mine was missing a little bit of salt, so I'll write the exact amount of the ingredient that I used and then I'll add in just about extra half teaspoon of salt to it. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.